Hey guys, I'm Precious Stevens, and today we're here to help you decide which draping kit is right when you're just getting started. We'll walk you through an overview of our various draping kits to make your choice much easier. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're going to get started with the mobile kit. Now the mobile kit, guys, is one of our fan faves. Reason being, look at it, it's very convenient to transport, not to mention it's very lightweight, right? However, it's still heavy duty. Both this unit and this unit raise out to 10 feet max, but this is a lot more convenient for people that may not be quite as tall, people that do a lot of transporting, people may have compact cars. That is why they really love the mobile kit. This is going to really simplify your process for getting started with premium draping. And then, guys, that takes us to this baby, which is the Posh Basic Kit. Now, for those that's in the industry and they're maybe transferring from, I know we all have had it at some point, which is the photography stand. No worries, I've been there too. This is the best kit to kind of transition into. Now, this is more or less for social events, right? Which would be your birthday parties, your baby showers, and anything where you don't have to go beyond 10 feet. Now, keep in mind though, even though that these are heavy duty and premium quality, they do not hold a whole lot of fabric such as these guys over here. Which brings me to my absolute favorite, which is the Posh Premium Kit. Now, this is the only kit you guys always see in our master classes. This is the kit that I always drape with, whether I'm doing a tutorial, any kind of videos on it. This is the absolute favorite. Reason being is because it's still in its lowest setting, very convenient to drape on, right? Like, I can really drape at eye level. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Sometimes when I see people designing and they on ladders and step stools and chairs, I chuckle a little bit, I do, because if they got in this baby right here, they wouldn't have to worry about all that. So it's at eye level, you can design, you can make all your little intricate changes, and it goes all the way to 14 feet, guys. That is the stuff when people walk in, they like, wow. And the reason they're saying wow is because of the height of the backdrop. It's really overwhelming. It's really make them feel, I need that, right? So pay attention to what you're trying to attract because this will easily get you there. Hey guys, any of these tips helping you so far? Then be sure to like this video to help me reach 1,000 likes. Not to mention it's absolutely free to do and it only takes 1 second. I know your girl is worth 1 second, right? Now let's get back to the video. So guys, that takes us to our very last kit, which is the Posh Platinum Kit. Now, this I would not really advise for backdrops. However, guess what's really trending this year? That is perimeter draping, right? If you are doing perimeter draping or you're maybe doing a lot of garages or things like that, you definitely want to invest in the Posh Platinum Kit because it's going to give you that seamless look, and these go all the way to 17 feet. Now, again, I would not suggest you to do a backdrop at 17 feet because that's a bit overpowering, right? It's going to like take up the entire room, and that you don't want. You want to create a good balance in any kind of atmosphere. So again, the Posh Platinum Kit, I highly advise for perimeter draping, meaning you're draping the entire room or you're draping the entire wall, and it's one panel, one layer. That is why you would get the Posh Platinum Kit. So when you're ready to take your first step in your draping journey, visit our store below to find the perfect kit to suit your needs. Whether it's the mobile, the basic, premium, or platinum kit, we have you covered. So click that link below to explore your options. So now I need you guys to do me a big favor. I need you to hit that notifications bell so you know when I upload my next video. I'll see you guys then. That is the Creme de la Creme. What'd I say? I said Creme de la Creme.
No. Creme de la creme.
Creme de la creme.
Yeah, you said cream.
Creme de la creme.
That it is.
Don't do that.
I don't want you trying to crazy on you. Yeah. Creme de la creme.
So, when you're ready to take your first step in your draping journey, okay, it's lunchtime, clearly.